I only just come yesterday, but so far it's been really good. Yeah, we've met these guys and they've taken us on a motorbike ride and they're showing us the old city. So very nice, very good welcome.
How is feeling in Pakistan?
How am I feeling? Hot.
अच्छा खान के बाद
Like Imran Khan
What's that?
is the ex-prime minister Pakistan. You know?
I don't understand that.
No, not understand.
No.
Okay, कैसे मैंने भी जानती. अच्छा यार ये ना
कप्तान को
पूछ रहे हैं इमरान खान को कैसा
Oh, I have no opinion. I don't.
ये
आप पूछें
हाँ जी क्या
उनसे पूछें कि आप इमरान खान को लाइक करती हैं
Okay, do you like Imran Khan as a politician or as a cricketer?
I don't know anything about him.
Okay.
वो नहीं जानती.
I just want to visit Pakistan and meet the people.
फर्स्ट टाइम आए हैं
Yeah, it's your first time. in Pakistan.
फर्स्ट टाइम पाकिस्तान
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, what's your experience so far in Pakistan?
Having a really nice time and meeting all the motorbike people, and it's lovely to be welcomed here.
And what about the food?
I haven't had any yet. I'm going to get some now.
Okay, yeah. Actually, they just come yesterday, and like it's the first day today, so they're gonna try the food. And what about the weather?
Hot, very hot.
And what about the people till now?
Yeah, you're all very friendly.
All people are very friendly.
Very friendly.
Definitely.
व्हाट इज योर नेम
My name is Christy
और ये कौन सी मुल्क से पूछ
Australia.
from
ऑस्ट्रेलिया
Australia.
मरियम क्यों
हाय
Hello, how are you?
What's your experience in Pakistan?
I think the experience in Pakistan's been pretty good so far. As we entered the country, people called out, "Welcome to Pakistan." There's no problems, it's safe, everybody's happy and very welcoming. So come in, there's no problems.
पाकिस्तान अच्छा लग रहा है कि नहीं पूछ ले भैया
The food is good.
Yeah, tell about the food. Is spicy or
Yeah,
not?
well, it's spicy if you want it to be, but you know, it's
And
good.
what about the weather? Until now?
It's bloody hot. Yeah, but it's good.
Same like Australia or hotter than Australia?
Yeah, probably. I mean, it's the same like Australia, but it's longer here.
Okay, good.
We actually have winter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
But much better than you guys at cricket, so it's okay.
थैंक यू